Introduction to AWS Amplify API category. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of tools and services that enable developers to build scalable and secure backend APIs for their applications. In this tutorial, we will cover the key concepts and best practices for using the AWS Amplify API category. Understanding the basics. To get started with the AWS Amplify API category, you need to have a basic understanding of AWS services such as Lambda API Gateway and DynamoDB. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of pre-built APIs that can be used to interact with these services. Setting up the AWS Amplify CLI. To use the AWS Amplify API category, you need to set up the AWS Amplify CLI on your machine. The CLI provides a set of commands that can be used to create and manage AWS Amplify projects. Once you have installed the CLI, you can create a new AWS Amplify project and start building your API. Creating a REST API. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of tools and services that can be used to create REST APIs. To create a REST API, you need to define the API endpoints and the schema for the API. The AWS Amplify CLI provides a set of commands that can be used to create and manage API endpoints. Using GraphQL APIs. The AWS Amplify API category also provides support for GraphQL APIs. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that provides a set of benefits such as reduced latency and improved performance. To use GraphQL APIs with the AWS Amplify API category, you need to define the schema for the API and create resolvers for the API endpoints. Best practices for using the AWS Amplify API category. There are several best practices that you should follow when using the AWS Amplify API category. First, you should use a consistent naming convention for your API endpoints and schema. Second, you should use authentication and authorization to secure your API. Third, you should use logging and monitoring to track the performance of your API. Conclusion. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of tools and services that can be used to build scalable and secure backend APIs for applications. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can create high-quality APIs that meet the needs of your application. With the AWS Amplify API category, you can focus on building your application without worrying about the underlying infrastructure.